Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James aka Wisma, and I am back again like I never left, manze. Today is Monday, so it is that special day, special Monday. We go back to kitchen and do some cooking. And kuna those days that I used to do Monday special, and then nikapata mtoto, and then I said nyinyi na recipe washana nayo. But I am back again like I never left. Every Monday 7:30 in the evening. Kuwa tuned. I'll be dropping every Monday a new recipe. And karibu sana. If this is your very first time to log in, to click on this channel, karibu sana. Karibu sana. This is where you should be. Join the family. Click on that your subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm gonna make chicken curry, and I know I'm gonna make this with you because you are watching, so we are making this together. And karibu sana. If this is your very first time to watch my channel, karibu sana, consider subscribing. Why? Because I've been videos of fashion, food, fitness and lifestyle, and as I've said, every Monday unapata kupata recipe mpya. And umekuja kwa hii channel, umekuja ku watch this video. I'm promising you, your family will love this recipe. It is mwah. My family too love this recipe. They love chicken curry. It is amazing. It is sweet, it is yummy, it is delicious. So karibu. And kwa sababu mambo ya kupika, it is inaji explain tu yenyewe, so I will not do a lot of explaining because you can see what I am doing. So let's do this. that is how simple you make your chicken curry. And I'm having my chicken curry with Italian bread. And as you can see, we are enjoying as a family. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you. I love you, and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video.